This video shows you how you can clear your browsing history in Microsoft Edge. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things will help us make more great videos for you. Now, Microsoft Edge comes on Windows 10 and Windows 11. It's also available at the moment on Windows 7, 8 and 8.1, although support is being discontinued for it from January 2023. But as of August 2022, it is still available on those platforms. Like I say, it is going to stay on Windows 10 and Windows 11 and possibly future versions of Windows if they're released. So all you need to do is just go into Microsoft Edge. And I don't really need to know why you want to delete the history, but for whatever your reason, just go up to the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen, left click once, go down to settings down there, left click once, and then go across to privacy, search and services. Scroll down a little way to clear browsing data and then click on choose what to clear. You'll then get this box come up, clear browsing data. Now in the box you've got time range, so at the moment it's set to last hour, so this means it will clear anything that's ticked in these checkboxes below that has happened in the last hour. Let's just click on the drop down here. So we've got options to clear stuff from the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks, or all time. So think carefully of what you want to clear. If you want to give your computer a clean up, then obviously you go for all time. But if you think to yourself, oh, you know, I don't know, I've gone shopping and I've bought the other half her Christmas present. I've done that in the last hour, but I don't want her to know what I've bought her or where I've been. So I can just clear what's happened in the last hour. So what we need to do now is we need to tick the boxes of what we want to clear. So here we've got browsing history, so that means it will be cleared from the history, so they can't see where we've been. The download history, so anything we've downloaded in the last hour there won't appear here. Cookies, so cookies are basically saving site preferences and logins on the site. It doesn't store logins in clear text format and is not transferable to another PC, but it may well sign you out of some websites, so think carefully about whether you want to clear the cookies in there. Cached images, okay, so these are images that the computer has stored to stop them having to go back out to the internet to download them again. So it's supposed to make web pages quicker to load again if you go to certain web pages frequently. This box here will clear any passwords you've saved. Auto form data, including forms and cards, so any forms you've filled out or any credit card information you've given, again, it will clear that from the machine. Site permissions, so anything you've set on a site permission in Edge, that will clear that. All data from the previous versions of Microsoft Edge, we don't really need to worry about that unless you've just recently updated Edge. And media foundation data, so that include licenses, certificate keys and more. So it says it clears the data after the browser restarts. So what you want to do is you want to tick all the boxes that you want to delete and then select the time range, so when you want it to be deleted from. Now if you're cleaning up your computer, then go for all time, okay, and think whether or not you actually do want to clear out the cookies. Like I say, it will sign you out of most websites, so if you haven't got your password to log back into the websites you're signed into, then please think very carefully about doing that, because you might get locked out of the website. I know some people use webmail like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, things like that, and that uses cookies to keep you logged into that website on this computer. So okay, once we've decided what we want to clear, just move your mouse over the blue, clear now, left click once, okay, and it will then clear the data. Now that was pretty quick because I've not really got much stored on here, to be quite honest with you. I haven't used Edge that much, so there's not much data built up. But if you think to yourself that you're going to be using this again and you really don't want anyone in the local household seeing what you've been doing on the browser, then there is another option for you. Let's just close down Edge and I'm going to reopen it again. Okay, So what you can do is you can click on the three dots in the top right hand corner just there, okay, and then go across to New in Private Window. And this means anything you do in this session whilst you're using this sort of dark version of Edge means it won't be recorded on the local computer, so no other users can see exactly what you've been up to on the computer. However, please bear in mind that network owners will still be able to see where you've been, and so will internet providers. So please make sure you understand this only sort of covers up things from a local point of view. It will stop sort of family members from going into history and seeing where you've been. It will stop things like form data being saved. It will stop things like web addresses being saved in the search bar. But like I say, you won't hide anything completely, like I say, because if you're doing this from work, then your IT administrator will be able to check the logs to see where you've been. And also your ISP will also need to check, will be able to check the logs too. So there you go. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. And whilst you're here, don't forget to check out my other videos on my YouTube channel. I've got thousands of other videos covering all sorts of topics. Hopefully you'll find something to educate you, entertain you, and even amuse you. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button. If you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like it, then don't forget to share this on your social media timelines. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you find out about all my latest videos the second they're released. Hit that subscribe button, then hit the bell, then hit all. You can also find me on Twitter at CWTech, and also find my website at cwtech.co.uk. Liking, sharing and subscribing really helps support this channel. Thank you very much.